आविर्भाव के बारे में ये लोग बिहारी बिहार करने वाले भजन श्याम सुंदर नित्य परिकरों के साथ जोड़ाधाम में इसलिए प्रकटित होते हैं। इसके बारे में कई दिन जावत हम लोग श्रवण करेंगे। इसके मुख्य कारण और गौड़ कारण के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण किया। मुख्य कारण में विशेष हम लोग श्रवण किया था ये अनुग्रहाय भक्तानां मानसं नियमास्थित अदिति तादिशक्तिरा लासुस्वासस्वरो श्रीमद् भागवतम दशम स्कंध में 33 अध्याय में 36 नंबर श्लोक के द्वारा वर्णन किया। भगवान भक्त के अनुग्रह करने के लिए, कृपा करने के लिए मनुष्य के लीला आदि प्रकट करते हैं। यद्यपि कृष्ण के अनेक लीलाएं हैं, क्योंकि मानव लीला जो है अधिक आकर्षक है, मत्स्य कुर्म बराह आदि भगवान के अनेक लीला, किंतु मनुष्य चित्त लीला वो सर्वथा सकता है। इसलिए हम लोग श्रवण किया। कृष्ण जटिल खेला सर्वोत्तम नरलीला नरवधु रघुवीर वेणुकर नवकिशोर नंदवर नरलीला भाई बंधु स्वयं चैतन्य महाप्रभु कृष्ण की सौंदर्य माधुर्य आदि वर्णन करते हुए कहा जेरुबेर एक कौन त्रिभुवन दुबार। कृष्ण की इतने सौंदर्य है, इसके एक कणा भी अनंत विश्व ब्रह्मांड में दुबार।
Hare Krishna. Hindi translation is also available. Hindi Katha you can check there. And Didi Rashmi Didi, Suchita Didi, please tell me what the sound is okay there. Please tell me. Hare Krishna. Please tell me. Vijay Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Please check. The Hindi sound is okay. Hari Bol. Please check. No, this is not Hindi. This is English. I'm not talking about here. Please check. In Hindi is also available. Oh, comment likhne do. So we were discussing about the Krishna Leela Katha. Not only the ladies, everybody is attracting. Everybody are attracting to see in the beautiful form of Krishna. So ladies are attracting towards him. It's general way. But even birds, animals, and everything, they are attracted towards. So seeing the beautiful form of Krishna, everybody is stunned. So everybody is forget everything. So when Krishna plays his flute, so the stream of the river, it's not flowing. it's become stunned. So how is the sounds of the Govind's Venu? So the mic things becomes stunned, and my things becomes moving, and movings also. So when Sukdev Goswami was describing, just wait a minute, let me check. Now check please, Hare Krishna, now check. So the deer and she deer, he deer and she deer, seeing the beautiful form of Govind, so where the Krishna was playing his flute sound, so everybody was they were going towards him. And Krishna, male deer and female deer, so they were moving towards Krishna's where he was playing the flutes.
इसलिए वो लोग अपने हृदय के प्रेम कैसे आदान प्रदान कर रहे हैं अपने नेत्रों के द्वारा, भावों के द्वारा, प्रणय अवलोकन आंखों के द्वारा कैसे हृदय के भाव को अभिव्यक्ति कर रहे हैं.
So they are describing their bhav, their feelings towards their eyes. So from the Pashu Pakshi, the animals and birds, and everybody is attracted towards the roop, the form of the Govinds and his beautiful sounds flute. And Krishna has beautiful pastimes because he is Leela Madhurya. He performed so many beautiful pastimes from Gocharan Leela. Thank you so much. So Advaitavadi who would like to enter into the Brahm, Krishna's opulence, Krishna's effulgence, so who are the devotees of the Dasaraths, so they thinks Krishna is Pardevta, Krishna is Par Brahma. And who are totally attracted towards Maya, so they think that Krishna is just like a Gopa Balak. So how they are treating Govind? These sakhas, they climb on the back shoulder of the Krishnas, and they are giving their remnants to Krishna. They are doing laughing, joking with Krishna. Govind, close your eyes, I will distribute the Rasgulla to you. And Kanhaiya, he was staying and sitting there just calm, and he is also giving his remnants to, and he was taking the Rasgulla very nicely. When he has completed eating Rasgulla, so after some time Krishna said, "Oh, you didn't give me Rasgulla." So some Sakha took one flower and put into the mouth of Krishna. And Krishna, when opened out, oh, it is not the Rasgulla, it is just a flower only. All the Sakhas said, what to do? There was a Asur, the demons came. So Krishna, when he heard the name of the demons, he said, what? Where is that Asur? Where is that Asur? Please show me, where is the demon? So the Sakha said, so that Asur is inside our stomach. Oh, stomach, what is his name? Bukasur. Its name is Lobasur. Loba plus Asur, Lobasur.
लोभ कहाँ रहता है?
Love always inside, love always resides in your stomach. So in this way, they have so much beautiful pastime with the Krishna.
कितना मधुर मधुर लीला है।
There are beautiful pastimes.
इसमें कोई भी लीला उठाइए,
If you think about any leelas of Krishna, so they all are very sweet.
और रामचंद्र आदि की ये सब मधुर लीला
And
है।
Ramchandra doesn't have this kinds of madhur leela.
रामचंद्र में तो दिखाया गया।
Maybe Ramchand have little bit sweeter, sweet.
लीला कथा है।
There is a Kakbhushandi Katha is there. Once
भगवान रामचंद्र
Lord Ramchand
कैकेयी के कौशल्या के आंगन में
in the courtyard of Kaushalya,
वो खा रहे थे।
he was eating something,
मालपुआ आदि खा रहे
malpua and something sweets.
थे। और उसमें कौवा
So at that time a crow came and he was sitting and he was seeing him.
इसलिए हमारे प्रभु की कैसे लीला है।
So he was just visiting the leelas of Krishna. What beautiful form he has. So Ramchand is so beautiful. He was sitting there nude. He doesn't have any kinds of cloth on his body. So seeing that, he was so much attracted, and so he was shocked. Oh, what a beautiful form he has.
इसके बाद
So and after that, what happened?
काकभूषण जी कौवा विचार करने लगे।
So Kakbhushandi was thinking, I would like to take some remnants from Lord.
तो ऐसे करके वो कौवे ने किया कि भगवान रामचंद्र
So
के बाल
saying
को
that, what he did, he came to Lord Ramchand,
और उसके देखते ही
and seeing them,
हैं, बस बाल राम जो है रोना शुरू कर दिया।
so Lord Ram started crying.
मैया मैया
Maya, oh mother, oh mother, oh Maya, oh Maya, like this he was saying.
उस समय काकभूषण
So at that time,
शंका उत्पन्न हुई।
Kakbhushandi has one doubt in his
ये
mind.
ब्रह्म भगवान है, ये मुझे
Is
पहचान नहीं
is he Parbrahma Bhagavan? He is not able to recognize me.
पा- ये मैं उनके नित्य परिकर हूँ।
That I am his eternal associates, and he is not able to recognize me.
अब मुझे पहचान नहीं और मुझे देखकर जो है रोना शुरू
And seeing me, he started crying.
है। कहीं अनर्थ न सृष्टि हो जाए, इसलिए काकभूषण के पीछे है।
So
फिर काकभूषण जी नीचे से निकल गए। वो भगवान रामचंद्र बाल जो रामचंद्र कौवा के पकड़ में लेके पड़े।
so what happened when that crows back little bit back, keep him
कहीं मुझे पकड़ करके
aside. So Ramchand tried to catch him.
मार डाला। इसको पीछे आ। देखो वो कौवा के पीछे जब ये भगवान रामचंद्र ये हाथ बढ़ाया पकड़ने के लिए।
So Ramchand tried to catch him, so that crow started running, and Bhagwan Ramchandra also chasing him. Then what happened? So the crow started flying, and Lord Ramchand's hand is also crying. So what he saw, that Lord Ramchand's hand is catching him, and he was flying so much far away, and still the hand of Lord Ramchand is chasing him, chasing that bird crow.
दौड़े उड़े ऐसे भी संभव होता है। तो अंत में कोई
So at last what happened? The crow was so much depressed. So Lord Ramchand got to know,
थोड़ा हंस के
and he little bit smiled,
भगवान रामचंद्र की उदर में प्रवेश किया।
and the crow went to inside the stomach of Lord Ramchand, and what he saw, the same leela is going on. Then Bhagwan Ramchandra,
उनको घर से मुख से बाहर निकल गए। आगे का वही लीला।
so he take the crow out from his stomach. Then he started doing the stuti. Hey Prabhu, no one can understand your leela.
तो इसी प्रकार
So in this way,
लीला रामचंद्र में
whatever the leela was going on, so it has been seen in the Lord Ramchand's pastime also. But more than Lord Ramchand's leela is Krishna leela. Krishna leela is more sweeter than Ram leela.
बाल गोपाल
He showed the beautiful Bal Gopal's form, and how Bal Gopal he is doing the human being leela in the courtyard of Mother Yashoda.
तो फिर मैंने कहा कृष्ण पहले कांकन चोरी लीला कहाँ की?
अपने घर में. So first Krishna started the butter thieving leela, butter stealing leela in his home when Mother Yashoda.
मैं जो खड़ा में रखा
So she put it the fresh butter in the pitcher, and she little bit closed the door. So what Gopal did, he opened the door
ताजी ताजी माखन की
and he started stealing the fresh butter.
परछाई है। तो क्या बोले
Shadow.
हैं? मणिमय पत्थर में जो पड़ने लगे।
So his shadow was reflecting from there was a jewels. So Krishna was thinking he is maybe another boy. Krishna was shocked. Seeing his form, seeing his shadow, he was shocked. Then maybe he is another guy, another person. So Krishna said that you are my friend. Please don't tell anyone that I am stealing butter. So whatever he was saying, the same thing is that shadow is replying. And on the other hand, Baldev Prabhu called to Mother Yashoda that Mother Yashoda, come. What is your Lala is doing? So Baldev Prabhu little bit opened the door, and Mother Yashoda and Baldev Prabhu both are watching the pastime of Krishna.
और कहेंगे कृष्ण भी अत्यंत धीरे से धीरे बोलने लगे कि मैं तू मेरा सखा हूँ, बोलना माँ के मत बोलना।
So the Krishna said to that shadow, you are my friend, please don't say any to anyone. And the shadow also nodding his hand like this, oh I won't gonna tell anyone.
और मक्खन खाने लगे।
And he started eating butter.
और इतने समय
And at that time what happened, Mother Yashoda, she opened the door, and what he saw that, oh Mother Yashoda is standing at the gate, and Mother Yashoda said to Gopal.
और गोपाल क्या बोले, मैया मैं नहीं।
So Gopal said, Maya, I didn't eat the butter. So Mother Yashoda said, did I ask you that you eat butter or not? So he said,
ये
oh,
मक्खन चुरा ले तो मैं कहा माँ को बड़ी पता। तो ऐसे कहते थे।
please check it's working. Haribo, Didi, check it's working.
बोले ये मक्खन तुम्हारे लिए पर कैसे लगा?
So Mother Yashoda asked that how. So okay, if you didn't eat the butter, so how there is a butter in your mouth? So she said, oh, my friend put that butter on my face. So he said like this. So there are many beautiful pastimes of Krishna, not only one, many leelas are there. And if you talk about the Damvandan Leela, so it is just one day Leela. And apart from that, many Leelas are there. Krishna has so much sweet Leela. So at last Sukdev Goswami said, Namo Radhikaye Tadiya Priya. Namo Radhikaye Tadiya Priya. So at last Satyavrat has to say like this, Hey Prabhu, we are owing a Dandavat Pranam to again and again to you. Your Leelas are Anant. Namo Ananta Liya Devaya Tobhyam. And which is the topmost Leela in Krishna's Ananta Leela? The Ras Leela. Krishna has beautiful pastime. Who can describe that?
मन के द्वारा ही लीला के अनुकरण न करें। जठा मोट अवधिज विषय शिवत्व नहीं प्राप्त करके कोई यदि और विष को पान कर ले उसकी मृत्यु असंभव है। ठीक उसी प्रकार भगवान की जो इसका रास्ता भी अनुकरण न करें।
So just you have to only listen this katha. Do not copy this. Do not copy the leelas of Bhagwan. Always just listen that. Do not copy. Always follow. So who are the wise person? They again and again hear this katha. How you have to hear this all katha with deep faith. And after hearing, do the kirtan of these leelas. And always hearing this katha and always do the kirtan of the katha.
पहले तुम्हारे
So what happen if you continuously hear and do the kirtan of katha? So first the kamakmika bhakti will arise in your heart, and after that, and whatever the unearth you have in your hearts, that will be destroyed.
साधारण विचार है कि
So in a general way,
पहले अनर्थ के नाश करें,
first you have to destroy your unearth. You have to destroy the kam, krodh,
और
lobh,
इसके बाद धीरे-धीरे
and gradually.
जो माँ के कृपा से
So by the mercy of Yog Maya, the Bhakti Devi will manifest in your heart. But here it's an adverse thing. It's opposite. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in the Madhurya Kadamini Granth, he is describing this.
भक्तिं परां भगवती प्रतिलभ्य कामो
Bhaktim Param Bhakt, like this.
प्रतिलभ्य प्राप्त करती है। कामात्मिक भक्ति पहले प्राप्त हो जाए।
So first you have to attain the Kamatmika Bhakti, the topmost Bhakti.
प्रश्न उठता है।
So the question arises here.
काम क्रोध आदि
So if there are so much Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, so many Vikars are there, so how the Bhakti can be arises?
मत करो।
So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying here, do not doubt on this. Do not
इस
be
प्रकार
just like
कोई अनजान में यदि अमृत को पान करे,
if somebody
तो
take
क्या
the
होगा?
nectar in unknowingly, so he will be mortal.
अगर राज माने हम एमा स्त्रियों वनचारी व्यभिचार दुष्टा कृष्ण के जैसे परमात्मा की रूढ़ भाव है ननुस्वरो तो देखो
So in this way it is saying,
श्लोकों के द्वारा
so by the sixth closure Uddhav,
गोपियों की स्तुति अधिकार
so he did the stuti of Radha and other gopis.
ये स्तुति नहीं वर्णन करते हैं गोपियों की कथा रासलीला की कथा
So the gopis katha, the Rasalila katha, if you hear,
इसमें कोई संशय नहीं
so there is no doubt in that,
आपके हृदय में
that
वही
all
अवश्य
is for sure Prema Bhakti will be manifested in your heart if you are not committing offenses.
यही तो दिखा दिया
So this is short there.
कितने सुंदर सुंदर श्लोकों के 6 श्लोकों के द्वारा
So by the 6 shlokas, Uddhav,
वेदांत सूत्र के अनुसार
according to the Vedanta Sutra,
उपक्रम और क्या बोलते हैं
Upakram, Upsanghar, Utpatti.
ये सबसे अच्छा है इसके द्वारा स्तुतियां भी करते हैं
So here are doing the Stuti. Very beautiful shlokas. Vande Najan Virja Sutana Padrana Vishtata, like this.
दासान हरि कदों की तो पुनाति भुवनत्र पुराण समस्त पृथ्वी पर समस्त लोगों की जो है पवित्र करने वाले कौन से कथा है
So which is the katha that will pious everything? So the gopis and katha. So there are the leelas of Krishna's with the gopis. These all are the topmost pious leelas. That's why it is saying
पाद रेणु अभिष्ण पाद रेणु
Pada Renu.
चरण कमल के फूल
So just the one particle of the dust of Srimati Radhika. So here the commentator is describing about Srimati Radhika. Tikakar, that commentator said, and if you get that particle of the dust of Srimati Radhika Rani's lotus feet, so you will be liberated. You will get Prema Bhakti like this.
बंदे नंदे बंदे नंद विदते नाम पाद रेणु अभिष्ण जासान हरि कदों की तो पुनाति भुवनत्र जिनकी ऐसे सुंदर कथा जो है समस्त पृथ्वी लोक की भी पवित्र करना
So this kinds of katha can make the pious or all the Prithvi Loka.
कितने मधुर सुंदर लीला बना
So these all are very sweet leelas.
कृष्ण की लीला छोड़ करके और
So except Krishna leelas, nobody goes to listen the Purana and other kathas.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
समुद्र के छोड़ करके
except Samudra, ocean, nobody goes to well. The example is giving.
राधादि गोपियों की प्रेम माधुर्य जो
So
है
Radha and other gopis prem madhurya is just like a
पुराण आदि की जो कथा है वो सामान्य
ocean, and the Purana and other kathas just like a well.
कुएं आदि की जल के कितने सुंदर सुंदर उदाहरण
So there are beautiful examples are giving there.
जिसे कहते एक बार भगवान
This is
की
called,
भागवत में रस में किसी को
if somebody get the taste in the Bhagavad Katha,
दूसरी कथा में से कभी
so no one, he will not get the taste in other kathas.
निगम कल्पतरु गलित फलम
Nigamu kalpataru gadam galita phalam.
गोपी पीबतो
Bhagavatam Rasamalya.
मुहुरहो रसिका भूति भावुक। रसिक और भावुक जन में
So Rasik or Bhavuk Jan, when
वेद कल भविष्य की जो प्रपक्व सादिष्ट गुडली तथा रहित
so when they used to when they take the fruit which is without the gutli, without the seed and without the peel, and it is just like a pulp and juicy pulp is there. So here, so this is the specialty of hearing from the Shukdev Goswami Maharaj. So many person told the Bhagavatam Katha. Many speakers told the Bhagavad Katha. But if when Shukdev Goswami, there is a specialty in the hearing from the mouth of Shukdev Goswami Pad, because Shukdev Goswami Pad himself, he has tasted the nectar from Radharani's mouth. There is a shlokas in Puran. Once what happened, the Radhika Rani herself, so she was carrying the shuk, the pakshi, the shuk bird, and she was hugging him, and she was kissing and embracing that birds. Just like if you have so much love, so the parents with so much affection with their childs and sons, they used to kiss them. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, once she was also the Shuk Pakshi. She was kissing and embracing her at that words. Shuk is not less than from any world. What that Shuk Pakshi, that Shuk bird is doing? He was just like Radhaji. He was following the same thing. What he did, suddenly, so he put the peak of his mouth in the mouth of Srimati Radhika, and he tasted the nectar from Radhaji's mouth. So this is the katha of the Puran. What is the meaning here actually? So who tastes the nectar from the Radharani's mouth? So if somebody and they will spoke some katha, so there will be much sweeter than any other. So that's why many people are speaking Bhagavad Katha, but still, what to speak about Shukdev Goswami Pad? So this is the speciality. This is the speciality in Shukdev Goswami Pad speaking. It is so sweet. After hearing that katha, Shukdev Goswami Pad, the Vyasdev, who was also sitting to hearing this katha, he was also hearing the same katha. Who wrote the Bhagavatam? Who spoke the Bhagavatam? So he came into the court assembly of hearing Harikatha. Father, so Vyas, Parashar and big rishis, people came to hearing the Bhagavatam from Shukdev Goswami mouth. Yes, grandfather. So Parashar Rishi is the grandfather of Shukdev Goswami. So it is a beautiful Harikatha, and the way he was speaking, it was adorable. It is so sweet. Many people used to speak Harikatha, but after hearing this Katha, you are not getting any kinds of feelings in your heart. So it is not just a Katha. So if you are hearing the Katha, so your mind will be disturbed. Like for that getting that taste, you must be so much eager to get the taste. It will give you so much separation. So that's why that Katha is not Katha.
प्रविभूत करते
that katha always melted your heart. It will melted your heart.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी
So Sukdev Goswami Pad in this way describing, and how he was saying, speaking Harikatha
बिना खाए पिए
without eating and doing anything, just 7 days and 7 nights. He was continuously speaking.
आज भागवत में आ
In the Bhagavatam, it is showed
कोई इसमें ये नहीं है
Atishokti.
इंटरप्टेड नहीं अनइंटरप्टेड
So this Bhagavad Katha was speaking unstoppable. It was speaking continuously. It was unstoppable. Sometimes Sukdev Goswami Pad,
समाधिस्थ हो जाते
so when he was speaking Hari Katha, so he becomes stunned.
हमें अमृत
So,
कथा की बात
so Parikshit Maharaj said, "Oh Prabhu, please speak your Hari Katha and give the nectar from your mouth." So if we hear Hari Katha only 1 hour, so we cannot sit there. We always look at from the watch.
बंद कर
Oh Maharaj, 1 hour have completed. Please stop the Hari Katha. But
उस सभा में सुखदेव
in that
गोस्वामी
assembly, when Sukdev Goswami started speaking Hari Katha, and Parikshit Maharaj was listening Hari Katha, so continuously they were speaking without unstoppable.
और श्रोता सुनिए नहीं
Maybe other Shrota, other listener was speaking or not, listening or not, but Parikshit Maharaj, he was listening Hari Katha continuously, unstoppable.
श्लोक है श्रीमद् भागवत में
There is a shlok in the Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto.
इस श्लोक के द्वारा
It is showed.
पहले मेरे मन में भी एक संदेह था
I also had a doubt in my mind,
जब इस श्लोक के जब पढ़ा
but when I read the shlokas, so I came to know. Oh, when I heard from the Vaishnavas, then I saw. Oh, it is clarified that yes, he was saying to Parikshit. Om Vishnu Padashtotta Shashisham Bhakti Vedanta Shlamata Maharaj ki jai. So there is so much nectar in Hari Katha. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
तो आइए ऐसे ही
So in this way,
कृष्ण की सुंदर जो
Krishna's beautiful Leelas was there. Yes, so it's raining here very nicely.
फिर पुनः भागवत में रहते
So in the again Bhagavatam, it is also describing
उत्तम श्लोको गुणानुवाद उमान विरज्य बिना पशु के हनन करने वाले जो व्यक्ति निष्ठुर
so the person who are so hard-hearted, they don't want to hear Hari Katha only, and other they will like to hear Hari Katha with so much bliss, with so much enjoyment.
साधु साधु पदे
Sadhu Swadu Pade Pade. कौन सा विश्लोक?
भोजन करने में जिसकी
If somebody has so much greed and so much eagerness to take food, whose Jatar Agni, whose the fire of the stomach is so high, so they will always when they will take the food, so in one bite they will so much enjoy.
ये भी पुरस्कार क्या करते हैं आनंद आहा
Aha, they will say, aha, very nice food, what a food, what a nice prachadam. We used to do hajam, havan, we used to do the 5 7 Om Swaha, Swaha, Swaha.
भगवान क्या करते हैं
आहा.
आहा
And Yajman used to sit because it has been a long time. The person who is doing the fire sacrifice and the who is, so they used to say aha aha like this. It has been a long time. So when we are doing the fire sacrificing, so at that time we are chanting the mantras. So and that man swaha. So in that mantras, the last word is swaha. Om Krishnaya swaha. Om Narsingaya swaha. Om Govindaya swaha. So Yajman, the person who is in front of the Pandit, so he used to aha aha because he is so much suffering. So there are two kinds of meaning of aha. If somebody is suffering, so he used to say aha, and someone who is enjoying, he also say aha. So there is a difference between aha. So swadu swadu pade pade. So who is getting so much enjoyment, so he will say aha. So after taking food, if somebody is getting so much pleasure, aha, beautiful prasadam, beautiful bhojan, food stuff is there. In the Sakhyaras, Madhumangal and others, when they were doing the feeding together, so they are enjoying so much. Aha, what a beautiful, what a tasty food. So that's why there are two meanings of aha. Means someone is suffering then also speak aha, and someone who is so much enjoying, so he also says aha. That's why sadhu swadu pade pade. So every step there are so much lahariyas of ananda. So who doesn't want to hear this kinds of beautiful pastimes of Bhagwan? So the person who are going to the Advaitvadi, and if they hear the Bhagwan's Katha, the beautiful sweet pastimes of Bhagwan, so that Mayavadi, that Advaitvadi, who would like to be merged, submerged into the Brahm, so they will leave this desire. And after that, Vayam Hatena. So these are very beautiful shlokas. So Advaitvadi, who the person who are following the path of Advaitvadi, so when they come to Vrindavan, so hearing or so after getting this kinds of beautiful land of Vrindavan, they will forget the path of Advaitvad.
और मुझे क्या बना देते क्या थी दासी पिता गोपवधू बेटे गोपवधू की जो बेटी उनके दासी
I would like to be the maid servant of the Gopavadhu. So because there are Vrindavan, beautiful pastimes, the sweet leelas are there. Vrindavan is not ordinary places, it is Rasamaya Bhumi. It is the land of Ras. After touching that land, spontaneously love will manifest it in your heart. That's why in the Ujjwal Neelmani Granth it is describing, so some girls who were staying in Hastinapur, after getting married, she came to Vrindavan. And when she came to Vrindavan, when she entered when she put the feet on the dust of the Vrindavan, the love is manifested in her heart. So she got married and she forgot his husband. And she thought, oh, Krishna is my husband. She considered Krishna as his husband. So this is our many commentators describe so many kinds of katha, because in the Vrindavan, the topmost bhav of Vrindavan is Gopavati bhav. Mo Vishay Gopivan Gopavati bhave. So the Gopavati bhav is the topmost bhav. People are not aware about this. Kam Krodh, people are so much full of Kam Krodh, Lobh, Moh. How they can understand this kinds of bhav? Who will listen? Who will hear? If there are many speakers, so if there are vakta, there are speakers, so no listeners are there, and if there are listeners, so no speakers are there. So there are beautiful pastimes of Braja. So I started from Krishna from Nitya Golak Vrindavan Dham. He performed so much Braj Leelas and he manifested in this world. And if somebody hear this katha or do the kirtan or follow these all things, for sure he will get the Braj Prem. This is all sure here. Braj is a beautiful, sweet places, and if you speak so much glory of Braj, it is your tongue cannot be stopped. So Braj Leela Katha never stop. Maybe your tongue can stop, but the Braj Leela Kathas cannot be stopped. So how much I speak? So Shukdev Goswami, he also stunned. So what we say? What to speak about us? So that's why Bhagwan with this parikar, with this dham, he carried the Giraj Govardhan, he carried the Yamuna. So everything he's carried here, and he performed leelas here.
श्लोक से अतीव दुर्लभ श्लोक है। क्या श्लोक है?
There is a shlok which is very rare.
अनुग्रह भक्तानां
Anugrahaya bhaktana manusham dehashvitam
अनुग्रह भक्तानां मानुष
Shradha bhajte tadashedam.
प्राण हो जाए।
So if we
लीला परायण पर अयन
par ayan,
लीला के आश्रय करें।
if we take the shelter of Bhagwan's Leela, so that's why there are many commentators are writing,
आश्रय भगवान में
if we
आश्रय
take the shelter of Bhagwan
करें। भगवत परायण
और भगवत कथा
लीला परायण ये शब्द लिया। पर अयन
par ayan means shelter, parayan.
उसमें अविष्ट हो।
And if we observe ourselves in these all those things,
और संसार की विषय कोई नहीं रहे।
so we will not be able to get attached in the material things. If we observe ourselves in Hari,
में प्रवेश नहीं करेगा।
so the
और
world's things will not enter in our ear. We will be observed in Hari Katha. So again and again you must hear this all Katha. Vancha kalturusha kripa sindhuvicha pradanam pavanebhyo गौर प्रेमानंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जय जय श्री राधे।